Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to design a WhatsApp chatbot to handle pre-sales questions for a car dealership. Car dealerships often receives a lot of repetitive questions about car models and pricing. Responding to them manually can be very time consuming. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will send answer to commonly asked questions and also schedule appointments all automatically on WhatsApp itself. Now if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you all to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created to handle pre-sales inquiries for a car dealership. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen. To activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message first. So here I'm going to send a general message like, "Hello." And immediately our chatbot responds us with, "Welcome to Auto Express showroom. How can I assist you today? Choose an option below to continue." So here I'm going to view car models. Our available car models: Auto Express Swift 6.5 lakh rupees, Auto Express Turbo 9.2 lakh rupees, Auto Express Electric 12.8 lakh rupees. Would you like to speak with the sales executive? And here it has given us option to contact sales executive. But I'm going to choose the second option that says download brochure. And it has provided me with the link of downloadable brochure. The user can click on this button and download the brochure successfully. Then I'm going to choose this third option that says book a test drive, and it has asked me about the model name and date and time to schedule the test drive. So here I'm going to enter model Auto Express Turbo, date 12th May and time 11:30, and this is what our chatbot responded with. Test drive booked. Here's what we have scheduled. Model test drive request, model Auto Express Turbo, date 12th May, time 11:30 AM. Our team will call you shortly. Thanks for your time. This is the chatbot that I have created for car dealership enquiry. This chatbot was created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now to show you how to create this chatbot, I have to take you to Pabbly Chatflow. And for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter pabbly.com/chatflow. It will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. Since I am already an existing user, I will click on sign in. Once you sign in, you will see all apps provided by Pabbly. We need to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have team queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow from here. Click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get two options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So we are going to name it something more relevant like Car Dealership Enquiry Bot. Here you can see there is a flow start box, under which there is an option to enter keywords. It is used to enter some general keywords which are going to activate the chatbot. However, here we also see there is an option to enter regex. Regex is short term for regular expression. It is a special pattern or sequence of characters used to filter specific text. To use regex, we have to use a specific format, which is this. Using this format, you can trigger the chatbot with any keyword, whether it is short text, full paragraph, messy inputs or clean inputs. It will safely trigger on everything. Here you can see there is an option to choose template. When you click on choose templates, you will get a list of all the approved templates you can choose from. Once we are done with the basic setup, we can start curating our first message. And to do that, we need to access the text button. And here you can add your first message. Here I'm going to add, "Welcome to Auto Express showroom. How can I assist you today? Choose an option below to continue." So here we are going to give some options with the help of this add button. Here I'm going to give the first option as view car models. Then I'm going to give the second option as download brochure. Then I'm going to give the last option as book a test drive. Once you're done creating your first message, we are going to create responses for each of the quick reply options. Let's begin with view car models. So here I'm going to access the text button again, and here I'm going to add, and our message will look like this. Our available car models: Auto Express Swift rupees 6.5 lakhs, Auto Express Turbo 9.2 lakh rupees, Auto Express Electric 12.8 lakh rupees. Would you like to speak with the sales executive? And here we are going to give them option. If the user wishes to talk to a sales executive, then we are going to provide them the contact details of our support executive system. Here I'm going to add, and our message will look like, here's how you can reach us. Call or WhatsApp on this number and email us at this email address. Once we are done curating our first message successfully, we can move on to the second option. We can move on to the second quick reply. So to create a response for this, I'm going to add media button. And then we are going to link this quick reply with our media button, and here I'm going to select the media type as document. And here we can paste the URL of our downloadable brochure, and automatically your document will appear here. And here I'm going to write a caption. Here I've added, click on the link to view our full catalog and want me to connect you to our support team now. And here again we are going to add support executive's number, and if the user wishes to talk to the sales executive, then we are going to link this quick reply to the message where we have shared our sales executive contact details. Lastly, we are going to curate a message to book a test drive. I'm going to access the action type notes, and then I'm going to click on ask question to get a question box. Here I will add, let's book your test drive. Please share the following: model name and date and time. Here you can see there is an option to select contact custom field. To select contact custom field, we need to create it first. And for that, you need to save your flow first. And once the flow is updated successfully, you need to go to the settings and click on this third option that says contact custom fields. Here you can see some default custom fields are there, under which here we have created contact custom fields. To create a contact custom field, you need to click on add one more field, and here you can add field name and enter description of the field, and then you will be able to access it under question box. For example, here I have created this add field, under which you can add any description. We are going to access this one. So here I will delete this one. Once you have created your field successfully, click on save and you can go back to your flows. Once you've created your contact custom fields, you can select it from the drop down. Here I'm going to select add, and as format I'm going to select any. Then we are going to link this question box with book a test drive quick reply. Now we are going to create a confirmation message, and for that I'm going to access the text button, and here I'm going to add. Our message will look like this: test drive booked. Here's what we have scheduled: model $add, date and time $add. This $add will be replaced by the actual model and date and time shared by the user. Our team will call you shortly. Thanks for your time. This is how we have successfully created our car dealership's inquiry bot. This bot will not only answer repetitive questions about models and pricing, but also it will share downloadable brochures and also book a test drive all within WhatsApp itself. You can curate your own car dealership chatbot with the same procedure that I have shown in this video. Once you're done with creating your flow, you have to click on the save button, and once your flow is updated successfully, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.